Yeah, that's why I still feel like, you know, we can't take it to the stars, cause I mean, after hard work and everything, feel nice, know where for party, enjoy ourselves.
Hi, my name is Kenisha Deris and you're watching Cooking Made Easy. And today I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant quality food at home. Now we'll start with our amuse bouche, which is a fried wonton stuffed with duck. And for our appetizer, we're going to have a tuna tartare in a miso cone. For our entree, we're going to have a French chicken served with rice and sauteed vegetables. And for our dessert, we're going to have an ice cream trio, which will be ginger ice cream, green tea ice cream, and gooseberry ice cream. Now let's get started. First, before we start anything and get any ingredients out, we have to wash our hands. Now that your hands are properly washed and you're wearing your proper uniform, your hair is tied back, and you have a hairnet on, we are ready to get started. First, you need to take out all your ingredients, your duck, your wonton skins, and so forth. Now that we have our ingredients out, we're going to start our saute pan on low heat and add a little oil, and while the pan is getting heated up, we're going to start by cutting up our vegetables. Now in this bowl I have one shredded carrot, and to it I'm going to add one stack of celery that's already washed. And also we're going to start shredding our cabbage. That's also been washed. Now that we have our half duck, it's already cooked and cool. We're going to pull the meat off the bone so we can add it to our mixture after it is cooked down. So we first take out the bones. And take a fork and pull it. You can also use your hands to just tear them apart to make them more easier to eat in the one package. start to move faster. Add the mixture. Smell like fried rice. And while it continues to cook and break down to get more softer, you're going to take your wontons and lay them out. It is actually 2 wonton shells a serving, and it's easy because all you do is take a little bit of water and put them around as egg wash, but just water, and put your filling in the middle, fold it down, take your fork and press on the sides. Your mixture is done. And you can tell because it's not as, the cabbage is not as hard as it was before. Pour it back to the bowl. And add your duck. Make sure every bite has a little bit of something. Pour it in the middle. And you can realize that I'm not wearing gloves, and that's because it's not necessary to wear gloves until it's ready to eat food. And as before you eat this, I'm going to fry it. And then you just press down the fork with the fork works. Make sure all the filling is inside. And you have one of your wonton crisps. And you just continue doing that for the rest. Now that we have our 6 wontons ready, make sure that your fire with the oil is very hot before putting them in. Slowly put them in so you don't get burned. And wait till they're golden brown, and then you flip them over after. Make sure they're not touching each other, and it's just swimming in the oil. Now it's time to flip them. Like I said, this is a great dish to make at home because it's easy and simple to do. They're about ready, so we're going to pull them off the fire, off the oil, and put them on this cloth so the oil could drain. Be careful with them because they blew up. A little bit of salt. Like I said earlier, I'm wearing gloves because it's ready to eat food and we do not want any bacteria transfer. And since it's 2 to a serving, because it isn't a main dish, it's just to get your palates ready. And the soy sauce glaze, which is also easy to do at home. You basically 1 cup of soy sauce and a half cup of sugar, and you reduce it until it's ready. And this is your amuse. Now for my appetizer, what I have in this bowl right here is soy sauce and cider vinegar. I'm going to open my tuna packet. Try to match the size of my peppers and onions. It's not, I don't really need that much. I choose tuna to do this dish because tuna is known to be eaten raw, but I'm not really serving it raw. Is the acid and the vinegar actually cooks it. So I'm going to do is just throw those pieces in my mixture. And notice that I am wearing gloves because there's, after this, no heat is touching this food, so I have to wear gloves because it's just the right thing. Now add to my peppers and onions and all of my ginger. Mix it together. And now I will leave my one because that's going to be the crispy part to our tartar. The pan was already hot, so all I'm going to do is put the water. Now that we have our wonton chips already fried, we're going to start plating. Take a good scoop of your tuna tartar and put it in the middle of your martini glass. Garnish it with a couple of chips and a piece of parsley for the stuff. Right now we will be doing our entree, and that's a French chicken breast that's been grated in the oven, served with white rice sear our chicken. Once the oil gets hot, we'll put in our ginger, garlic, thyme, cilantro, and then our chicken. And while I'm preheating the pan, I made jasmine rice earlier, and it's a simple recipe. No salt added, just water and rice. 1.5 cup of water to a cup of rice, of jasmine rice, and you just boil that, cover it, and leave it. When it starts to get bubbly, boiling, then you lower down the heat, and then let it steam all the waters away. And it's supposed to be a sticky rice, and it's supposed to be served flavorless. And the broth that you serve it with is supposed to flavor your rice and make it taste even better. So our pan is getting hot. So we're gonna take some garlic that we have chopped up, throw it in our pan. Some ginger, a little bit more. Thyme, cilantro. Mix it up. And take our seasoned French chicken, which is just seasoned with salt, pepper, paprika, and let it cook to make a crust on both sides and before we put it in the oven. And how you don't usually buy chicken breast that's already been French, so it's better to buy a whole chicken and French it yourself, and that's basically fabricating it. And instead of taking off the bone of the wing, you just French back the excess skin that you see here and clean off that bone and push back the fat in. So yeah, just cook it up. This is the kind of crust that you want to see on it. And when we're done, or about done, we're going to flip back the breast, pour about a cup of chicken broth, and pop it in the oven with a cover, and that's what you call braising. And check to see when it's done. And while we have the chicken cooking, just when the chicken is about to done, just about to finish, we're going to saute our vegetables: cabbage, broccoli, carrots, onions, bell peppers with garlic and also ginger, preferably. And the broth, really the sauce that's going to be served with the chicken is going to come from the pan itself. So it's a pan sauce and pan broth. Now that our chicken is properly seared, we're going to use the chicken broth to deglaze the pan before we put it in the oven. Put a little bit more salt. don't want to not hear your pan sizzle like that. And when your vegetables become tender and al dente, just turn to the right. Then you add your salt. And your butter to finish.